Make a great choice today with the 2014 Verano. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, heat ducts. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, power outlet, console, floor mats. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.